everyone, it's John, and I'm in the basement with Pig, and Frances is over there. She's feeling a little under the weather today, and she says she don't look pretty enough to be on camera. And I said, that's just absolutely ridiculous, because you're always pretty enough to be on camera. But anyway, so I'm going to fly this one solo today, so you're going to have to apologize. I'm going to have to apologize up front, because it might be a little choppy from my edits. Okay, guys, the first item that I have here is this wooden drawer off of an old sewing machine. Every time I find these at auction, I'm always buying them, and I want to get them and take them apart because I sell the bases on eBay, I'll sell the drawers on eBay, I'll sell all the parts and stuff that I can on eBay. And this one actually sold for $33.95 plus shipping. So I get two of them. There's one on each side of the sewing machine. And you can typically pick these up at auctions for nothing because there's always something wrong with the sewing machine or something like that. So I want to say I paid like 40 bucks for the whole sewing machine. And I've still got the base and everything else to sell. But this right here just about pays for the whole thing. That's super cool. The next item that we have here, little Piggy helped me out. He gave it to me. We've got the horn, and it sold for $20 plus. Oh my gosh, we charged like, there's $9.44, so I don't know how much I charged for shipping. But that's really cool. It's like a little horn made out of, I don't know if it's plastic or actually a horn, but it plays a little harmonica tune, and I think it's super cute. The next item that we have here is this little pocket knife. I did overcharge for shipping, or they paid a bunch of taxes or something. We charged $25. It sold for 25 bucks. I took a best offer, and they paid $34.51 for it. So if there's any overages on shipping, we'll do the right thing and actually give them a little bit of it back, because we're not crooks, are we, Pig? Are we crooks? Is Johnson family crooks? We're not. We're not. Okay, the next item that we have here, I'm starting to sell some of these car part buys. One of the things that I did is I ended my promoted listings and I restarted it on everything. And I think on my stuff that was like in my other folder, I think I did a big sale on it or something like that. I have like a folder. The way my store is designed is to allow me to like mark things down a lot easier. And I did a video on that. If I find it, I'll link it up top. But it's actually, we sold this for $12.95. They paid $16.90 total out the door. The next item that we have here, Pig just handed me, was this Nintendo 64 VHS tape. You know what a VHS tape is? No. He has no idea what a VCR tape is. This is whenever I was your age. That's what we used to watch movies on. What do you think about that? Woo, no Netflix. He don't like that at all. We've got $5.98 sold plus shipping, so it's $12.82 out the door. Okay, the next item that we sold is this speaker. It comes with a nice little mount. We sold it for $13.50. It was $23.83 out the door. Not a ton of profit in it, but it came in a box of junk, so I was glad to get rid of it. It's a dual brand speaker. I love speakers like this. Okay, Piggy just handed me the next thing that we sold. We actually have, there's 6 of these book lots. It's these Matthew Henry commentary books. And we ended up selling them for, do you see how much we sold them for, Pig? It was 40 bucks. $40 plus shipping. Out the door, it was $50.80 out the door for all 6 of these books. And I think we paid $5 for them at a church sale. And I knew books aren't really a lot of money if you sell them by themselves, like individually. But when you can get a set of books, put a set of books together, you're always going to make a lot more money that way. It's definitely worth selling sets of books. Okay, the next item that we have here, while Pig scrolls down on the mouse, he's a big helper. I tell you what, now I see why Kevin Commonwealth Picker puts his kids to work. Child labor is a thing. We sold this ceramic, like wall sconce, nice little light thingy with a little pull. Works. It's pretty awesome. It sold for $44.95, $53.90 out the door, shipped. That is pretty awesome. If you find this stuff, I don't want to drop it, but I want to show you guys how pretty it is. Be sure you don't drop and break it, but be sure you're not passing this stuff up. It's pretty awesome. Okay, this is the second one of these I've sold. I buy a lot of wooden boxes. I love wooden stuff. I love antique stuff. I love antique stuff and I love collectible stuff. And that's why I had an antique store. Now I have a collectible store. But I sold this Blue Ridge Bottling Company. It's St. Louis, Missouri. It is a bottling company that existed up there. I actually sell some of their bottles. I have some of their bottles over there listed. Is this what you're needing that for?
Maybe.
And I'm going to hand that off to my wife because she's packaging while I'm doing all this. She's really sick. If you guys just say a prayer for her before you go to bed tonight. She's not super bad, but it's just obnoxious for her. And we believe in a higher power. And if you don't, that's okay. We still love you. But for those of you who are praying people, just say something for her and maybe we'll see what happens. But anyways, I paid I paid like $5 for it, $10 for it, I think. It sold for $54.95. The last one I sold a couple weeks ago, I believe it sold for like $10, $15 cheaper. But this one was $75.19 shipped out the door. That is a super good deal. I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, the last item that we have here is this vintage, like, I guess rubber gasket. And we sold it for $22.95, $24.81 out the door. Something like that will go into an envelope, shipped real easy. And that's pretty daggum awesome. Most of you might not see him a lot on camera. This is my youngest boy, Judah. And how old are you?
7.
He's 7 years old. What grade are you in?
2nd.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Who do you like more, mom or dad? Okay, we know it's mom because I like her more than me too. But I have a question. What does your dad do for a living? How does he make money? Gotta speak up. What do I do for a living? What do I do? What are we doing right here? I sell stuff. Say it real loud for the camera.
Sell stuff.
I sell stuff. What kind of stuff do I sell? What do I got upstairs? We got a lot of toys, don't I? Tell them.
Got a lot of toys.
Got a lot of toys and we sell other junk stuff, right? What do you want to be when you grow up?
A cop.
He wants to be a policeman. That's pretty awesome. Well, I just wanted to introduce you to everyone. So tell them, say hello.
Hello.
Now say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Get out of here, kid. You're bothering me. So that's all the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button and like the video. So you guys have a good day. God bless. Keep on digging. Keep on picking. And remember, the family that picks together, what do? Typhoid Mary?
They stick together.
Ah, they stick together.